So I'm gonna show you how you can make money like this by using Facebook, TikTok, and just 1 or 2 hours of your day. Hey guys, this is Lester Diaz and welcome back to the channel. After posting my last video on how to find viral videos that you can monetize on Facebook, a ton of you guys messaged me on Instagram. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I also post a lot of content on my Instagram page, and you can also send me DMs anytime that you have questions. Well, in my last video, I talked about the 3 main places to find viral videos that you can monetize on Facebook. And one of those places was TikTok. A lot of you guys messaged me about TikTok specifically because you wanted to know how to find videos on TikTok that you can take and actually monetize on a Facebook page. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today, because luckily for you, I have a friend who makes a ton of money from this specific method. So I reached out to him and I asked him to break it all down for me so I can show you guys step by step how you can actually start making a lot of money on Facebook using other people's content on TikTok. So sit back, make sure you hit that like button below, because this is gonna be one of the best videos you're gonna watch this year in regards to making money on Facebook. Okay, so before we get started, there's 3 things that you'll need to make this happen. Number 1, you're gonna need a Facebook page, and you can easily open a Facebook page. It takes 5 minutes to do. Number 2, you're gonna need a TikTok account. Again, free, it takes you 5 minutes to do. And number 3, you're gonna need at least an hour or 2 per day to make this happen. That's it. You don't need anything else. Let's start with number 1, which is a Facebook page. The reason why we need a Facebook page is because this is how we're gonna make our money. We're gonna need a Facebook monetized page. A Facebook monetized page means that you'll be able to make money from the videos you post on that page. Now, if you've never heard of Facebook monetization before, guys, come on. I have a ton of videos on my channel talking about Facebook monetization. I'm gonna put some links in the description below so you can go and check them out. And we're gonna talk about Facebook monetization later on this video. But basically, you're gonna need a Facebook page to make this happen. Number 2, you're gonna need a TikTok account. So that means you can sign up for a TikTok account. And we're not really trying to go viral on TikTok or any of that. We're simply using that TikTok account with one specific purpose, which I'm gonna show you in this video. And last but not least, you're gonna need at least an hour or 2 of your day every single day to make this happen. In the beginning, you're probably not gonna make a lot of money, but once you start getting the hang of it and you start going viral on Facebook, trust me, you can have days where you can make a lot of money using this method. So the main question you might have is, what type of Facebook page do I need? Well, I highly recommend that you open a niche specific Facebook page. So you can open a Facebook page about viral content. You can open a Facebook page about fishing. You can open a Facebook page about pets, dogs, cats, whatever topic you want that Facebook page to be, you only need to upload content in that specific topic. So it's gonna make it a lot easier for you to find content on TikTok related to that category. And I'm gonna show you in my computer exactly how you can do that. So once you decided what type of Facebook page do I want, what's the niche for my Facebook page, the next step is jumping on TikTok and finding those videos you're gonna be using for this method. And we're gonna talk about 2 specific ways that you can make this happen. One is gonna be without having to show your face, and the other one will be showing your face. I'm gonna show you the differences, and then you can decide which one is best for you. So with that in mind, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into my computer. I'm gonna show you exactly how this method works and how you can make it happen. I'm gonna show you a real life example of how this works, and hopefully by the end of this video, you're gonna fully understand how to do this yourself, and you can jump on it right away to start making money. So let's do that right now. All right, you guys, so let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna show you an example of a Facebook page of someone using this method properly to make a ton of money from Facebook. Now, this person, this is just a random page that I follow on Facebook, and I wanna show you how he's doing this. And basically, you can see this video right here. This is 6 minutes long. 4,500 people have engaged with this video, over 600 shares. If we scroll down a little bit more, you can see here videos are going extremely viral. He's getting a ton of views, and this specific video right here from him, 4-minute video, 2 million views. So these videos are monetized. So that means these videos are making him money. For every 1,000 views he gets on his videos, he can probably make anywhere from $3 to $4 for every 1,000 views. And even though these are simple compilations of him reacting to TikTok videos, I'm gonna show you how you can do this yourself. Now, like I said, what you'll need is a Facebook page in one specific niche. In this case, this person is just reacting to random TikTok videos. There's not a specific niche for this page, but this works way better if you actually create a niche specific page. So like I said, you can do something like pets, you can do something like fishing, you can do sports, you can do anything you want for that specific page, but you're only going to upload videos to that page from that specific niche. So once you have your page, let's say as an example for this video that you wanted to upload funny videos about pets. So you create your Facebook page, you can call it whatever it is that you want, but you're only gonna post videos on that page for pets related videos. The second step is you're gonna need a TikTok account. And once you have a TikTok account, you can download the TikTok app to your computer. So what I've done is basically I've searched for pets in the search bar, and I've gotten hundreds of videos already with millions of views that I could probably use for my Facebook videos. So this specific video right here, as you can see, has 103 million views. So what we do is we simply copy and paste the link to download the video. So all we do is we go here and we're gonna copy the link address. Then we're gonna go to a website called Snaptik.app. And we're gonna paste the link right here and we simply click on download. Now we click on a link to download the video. So now that I've downloaded the video, I've opened my video editor, and this is Wondershare Filmora, which is a simple, very beginner friendly. And if you don't know anything about video editing, this is perhaps the best software that you can use because it gives you pro features and you don't really need to learn a lot about how to use the software. So notice that I already have the video downloaded, and I'm gonna explain exactly what this is in just a moment. So this is the video that I downloaded from TikTok, and notice that it doesn't have the watermark, the TikTok watermark. And basically when it happens, when you download the video using Snaptik, it removes the watermark. So what I highly recommend you do is, if that happens, that you simply include a link, a credit link from the source, the account that you got that video from. So you can see on the right hand side here, there's a little credit. You can basically put the name of the account where you got the video from, and that way you're providing credit. Now the other thing that I did is I added an overlay text on top of the video. That's gonna make it stand out a little bit more. So you've probably seen this on Facebook a lot. You're browsing on Facebook and you see these videos with text on top. Those tend to do a little bit better than just regular videos with no text. So this is the original video. We have the credit, we have the overlay text, and basically the other thing that I did is I recorded my reaction to this video. Now, if you wanted to upload a video without having to show your face, this is what you would do. You would basically add a bunch of videos and make a simple compilation with some text on top, and that way you could probably use a 3-minute video, upload it on your Facebook page, and that's it. You have your video without showing your face, which is something that we can definitely do. So we're gonna go back to TikTok here, and I'm gonna grab this video right here. I'm also gonna follow the same process. I'm gonna copy the link, I'm gonna paste the link right here, and I'm gonna hit download. So now that I downloaded the clip, I imported the clip into Wondershare Filmora, and now we can add this to our video, to our compilation video right here, and we're gonna make it fit the actual format here. And as you can see, if I just stretch this out a little bit, we can make it fit. So now we added a second video, and as you can see, this is starting to look like a compilation video about funny pets basically, and you can see how this would work. Of course, you would have to also make sure you're crediting the original owner or account of this video by inserting that for every clip that you do. And as you can see, it's starting to look like a video that you would watch on Facebook. Now, this is the option without having to show your face. This is simply taking videos from TikTok, crediting the owner, making compilation videos, adding some text, and this can definitely work for you to monetize your videos. But if you want actually your videos to stand out, if you want your videos to look original and a little bit more pro, this is the next step that you need to do. And what I've done is I recorded myself reacting to these videos. Nothing special, just reacting to these videos. And this is what I did. I actually recorded myself. I cropped that video into a little circle, and this is how that would look. So you get the idea. It's basically me reacting to the video, and as you can see, you can probably make it a little bit more professional. You've seen videos like this before on Facebook of people just reacting to videos without adding any voiceover or any of that. This is an additional step that you can take to make your video a little bit more original. And this is only if you don't care about showing your face, but you don't have to do this way, how I'm doing it, recording myself like this and put it in a little circle. There's an easier way to do this, and that is through the TikTok app. So let me go back to the TikTok app so I can show you what I mean. I'm gonna go back to my profile, and I wanna show you a video that I made private just to show you what I'm talking about. So this video right here, this is via the TikTok app, and basically what I've done is I duet the video and I recorded my reaction to that specific video. Now I could do this for 3, 4, 5 different videos if I wanted to, and then I could take those videos from my TikTok account and I can go back and download the videos to my computer using Snaptik. So once I have enough videos, I can simply go back to my video editing software and I can include those videos, do the same thing, add a little text on top of the video, but this time we're doing exactly what this guy is doing. The only difference is it's not gonna have your TikTok watermark because we're basically recording the videos and downloading those videos from TikTok without a watermark. We're placing some text on top of it, and voila, you have an original video. If you want to show your face like this person is doing, it could probably take you an hour per day to find videos that you want to react to. Take those videos, edit those videos in your video editing software, and then publish those videos on your Facebook page. But the main thing is you have to make sure your page is monetized, because otherwise you'll be posting all these videos and not making any money from it. So it is always important to make sure that you follow the steps properly, and I have a ton of videos on my channel explaining how you can actually get monetized on Facebook. All right, so hopefully all of that made sense, and as you can see, what we're doing is basically taking videos from TikTok, we're providing credit to the actual owner, we're actually creating and recreating a brand new video using that TikTok, either by adding text or our own reactions to those videos to make them unique. As you can see, this method works. So no, you're not gonna be breaking any rules whatsoever. This works extremely well on Facebook. And yes, you can definitely monetize this type of content. However, the most difficult step of all of this is getting to the point where you can have that Facebook page monetized. Because what you need to get monetized on Facebook is 10,000 followers, 600,000 minutes of watch time in the last 60 days, and 5 public videos. Because I'm showing you exactly how to find the videos and create original content for your Facebook page, the video part and the 600,000 minutes, it's probably not gonna be a huge deal. Now the 10,000 followers, that's probably gonna be a little bit more difficult because you're starting from scratch. However, if you follow what I teach in Facebook Income School, which by the way, you can check out in the description below, this is my step-by-step training on how to actually build, grow, and monetize Facebook pages. You can easily build a brand new page from scratch and get it over 10,000 followers in less than 30 days if you use things like Facebook ads, which is exactly what I teach my students to do in Facebook Income School. So this exact method that I just showed you is exactly what my friend is doing to be able to make the type of money that he's making from Facebook pages. But of course, he started from scratch just like everyone else, and it took him a few months to go viral on Facebook. So once his first video went viral, the followers and the views started to come in, and now for every single video he posts, he gets anywhere from 200,000 to 500,000 views per video. And he's doing exactly what I'm showing you to do in this video. So I really hope that you guys enjoy and appreciate the information that I'm giving you in this video, 100% free, that you can start using to make a ton of money on Facebook. If you did enjoy this video, all I'm asking is that you hit the like button below, because it's really gonna help me out to push this video to more people. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this every single week with the intention of helping you guys make more money with social media. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.